Let's go through a step-by-step guide of purchasing SHM tokens from the official Shardeum token sale. Step 1. Visit the sale page. Head over to shm.gg/token-sale to get started. Click the login button. You have two login options, via wallet or via email. If you choose to log in via email, TokenSoft will generate a wallet for you. Make sure to save your credentials securely. For this walkthrough, we'll use the wallet login method. Click Confirm to connect your wallet and sign the request to log in. Once logged in, if you're an early contributor, you'll see 4 different sale options. If not, you'll still be able to participate via the public sale option. We'll proceed with early contributor option 1 for this guide. Click the Request Access button to begin. Make sure you're in an eligible location for participation. Now verify your identity based on your country's requirements. Once your KYC is approved, you're good to go. Make your purchase by entering the amount of SHM you wish to purchase. Check all the required boxes. Click to complete your purchase. That's it. Your SHM tokens will be delivered to your wallet at TG with no lock-in period. The Shardeum token sale ends on April 14th, 10 p.m. Universal Time Coordinated. Don't miss out.